Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about while loop in Python. I am Divya from Coding and Technology. Loops in Python. Python programming language provides two types of loops to handle looping requirements. There are two types of loops in Python. They are for loop and while loop. In this session we are going to learn about while loop. Python while loop. The while statement in Python executes a block of code repeatedly as long as the test condition of the loop is true. This is the flowchart, that is pictorial representation of while loop. The test expression or control condition of the while loop is executed before any statement in the body of the loop is executed. If the test expression is true, the body of the while loop is executed. Again, the test expression of the while loop is evaluated and the loop continues as long as the condition remains true. And when the result of the test expression becomes false, the loop will not be executed and the control will be transferring to the statement immediately following the body of the loop. In Python, the body of while loop is determined through indentation, as it's a method of grouping statements. While loops are also called as indefinite loops because statements are executed until a logic condition or test condition remains true. The syntax of while loop is while test expression followed by colon, body of while, else followed by colon, body of else. Here, while is a reserved word, that is a keyword. The test expression is the condition to be checked. The result of the condition will be either true or false. In this test expression, Python interprets any non-zero value as true, none and zero are interpreted as false. The body of the while loop consists of a single or multiple statements. The body of the else statement will be executed when the test condition evaluates to false, and it is optional. Now let's see the demonstration of while loop using Pythonaddy. This is a program for while loop. Here I am going to print the count values from 0 to 5. For this, I am going to write count is equal to 0, limit that is equal to 6, while count is less than limit, that is 0 is less than 6 followed by colon, print count is comma count, the control variable count. After that, we should update the value of count by 1. That is, we should increment the value of count by 1. That is, count is equal to count plus 1. Let me run the program. The output will be the values of count from 0 to 5 along with the message. Can you guess what will happen if we don't update count? Let me run this program. An infinite loop will be the result until we hit Ctrl C, because while loop is an indefinite loop. That is, statements will be executed until a test condition remains true. Next, I am going to write thank you message using print statement for else statement. Else print thank you. Let me run this program. The count values from 0 to 5 and thank you message will be the output. In this session, we have discussed about the basics of while loop, the else clause, infinite while loops and how to break out of them. And we also illustrated many examples with Python idle. I hope you have learned all these concepts. Thank you for watching this video.